Amazing animal facts about horse. Did you know horses have the largest eyes of any land mammal? Their broad vision helps them spot potential danger. Unlike humans, horses sleep both standing up and lying down. It's uniquely adapted to their prey lifestyle. Horses communicate emotions through their facial expressions and body language, just like humans. Their teeth never stop growing. Horses constantly grind their food, which wears down their teeth over time. Horses have a lifespan of around 25 to 30 years. With proper care, some can even reach their 40s. Fascinating, right? Experience the enchanting journey of understanding horses. Each gallop reveals an intriguing blend of power, grace, and an unspoken language that resonates with human hearts. Delve deeper into their world, and you'll find horses are not just magnificent, but also intelligent, intuitive, and full of surprises. Every encounter is a new revelation. So, come, immerse yourself in the extraordinary realm of horses and explore a bond that not only enlightens but also enriches the human spirit. Embrace the captivating world of horses, as each stride they take unravels a tale of strength, elegance, and an enduring bond with humans that transcends time. Discover the majesty of these magnificent creatures as they gallop through life, leaving behind footprints of awe-inspiring facts and fascinating equine wonders like share and subs.